Hi everybody! First of all, I'm applying a white base using the sponge. I'm making sure that I'm using a 45-degree angle over my eyes. And then I'm doing that on the other eye as well. I cover my eyelid as well, and then I'm doing a 45-degree angle under my eye. It has to be about half of the size of the upper wing. And then I'm just using a pink one stroke to create the wings of the butterfly. So here I'm using a bigger one and then some smaller ones to just give the whole wing a different shape. And then I will still do 2 decorations inside the wing as well. And I use my one stroke on the bottom wing as well and nearly cover all the white. I'm using a different colored one stroke, a really colorful one, and make kind of a flower shape in the middle, and also use that inside the wings as a little bit of a decoration, and in the bottom wings as well. Then I'm using my 4-point round brush to just do some points in the middle of my flower, and also do some white outlines with the same brush. I'm still using the same brush to do some teardrops on top. And then in the end I give all the wings a white outline as well. And in the end I finish the whole design off with some dots and spread them everywhere a little bit, and there it is, all done. Very quick and easy design.